Hi everyone, this is Pampered Chef Recipes. My name is Kay, and this is my home kitchen. Tonight for dinner, I'm going to be making a chicken and kale braid. First thing you're going to want to do is preheat your oven to 375 degrees. Our featured Pampered Chef product for this evening is our stone bar pan. You can find a link for it in the description below. The ingredients you'll need for this recipe are 4 ounces of cream cheese at room temperature, 2 cups of cooked chicken, shredded or chopped, 2 cups of kale, chopped, 4 ounces of Parmesan cheese, a half a cup of jarred roasted red peppers, drained and chopped, 2 teaspoons of garlic and herb rub, 2 packages of crescent rolls, 1 egg, and a teaspoon of kosher salt. You're going to want to add your cream cheese, chicken, kale, Parmesan, red peppers, the garlic and herb rub, and mix until combined. Roll your crescent dough out onto the stone bar pan. Then we add our filling into the dough, leaving 1 inch from the short side of the pan and 3 inches from the outside. So, got this playing field right here. Then with kitchen shears, you're going to cut 1-inch strips all the way down both sides. Twist once. And pinch. And you want to whisk your egg and brush it over the top. And after that, I add my salt. The recipe calls for sesame seeds as well, but I didn't have any of those. So we're just gonna decorate with a little salt. Then it goes in the oven at 375 until it's a deep golden brown, about 25 minutes. How'd I do? I think it looks great. Wow, not too bad for my first time. I hope yours turns out this good too. Dinner served. Thanks for joining us today on Pampered Chef Recipes. I hope that your chicken and kale braid turns out wonderfully too. Remember, the links to the stone bar pan, as well as the recipe, will be in the description below. Please feel free to share this with other people who like to spend their time in the kitchen.